Tell them to subscribe to Fever Farm. I like the videos them. Yes, you know. Alright. So guys, you know, we're outside on the farm there. Yeah. Digging some nice organic sweet potato. You know, I think on a farm there like this organic, no 30. So guys, you know, out there on another harvesting day, give thanks to the Most High. Yeah, so we outside on the farm digging some sweet potato, organic, no 30, just plant and grow as it is. Yeah, you know, there see there's some nice sweet potato. Yeah, just a small vlog we are giving, you know, an update say food still up on the farm, organic. You see it, you know, say your father burrow there, see where the money and the whole lot of dirt go. Watch the boss just throw down one. You see it, organic. Yeah, man. See, no 30, nothing like that. Just plant and grow. So, you see, say food can grow without you do anything. Just plant it. Yeah, organic, no joke. See it there. Yeah. So, guys, you know we're there. Farmer borrow that. I do the dirt, you see it. I hunt the food, you know. Food I starve for a nation. On a day like this, August 6. God is good. Independence Day, you know. Still lay out upon the farm because food have to find, you know. By any means. Don't look for organic food on a day like this, August 6. No joke, you see it? You know, a farmer lady there out there all time. By any means. Yeah, so we just go and dig through. So we just did grow the potato patch organic for just see how a potato can bear without using any fertilizer or anything. So we just grow them like this, and the result that we get, see it there. Be honest, right now this is weigh about 4 pounds of potato or 5. Yeah, organic, no 30. So just go and update, you know, just subscribe to the channel and make the thing flow, you know. Food there. Anytime you want food, just link up Fever Farm and you get some organic food. Yeah. You see it, watch there. Boss just throw down down there. See there. Potato like potatoes. Nah, man, I lie. Still more I go and see it. Nice, pretty, fresh. Surprise for no say yo potato could have grow organic like this. Yeah man. A normal pre man. You see it? Boss I choke them out. No jokes, man. See, non-stop fruit, all type of shape you get. You know the thing go. Potato for days, months and years. Yeah. Farmer lady outside. I say no find no fruit yet, no food yet. Yeah. Yeah man, you know say a farmer burrow out there go and dig it thing. You see it? Don't know my father like that though. No joke. Catch on, you want to go on? See, look a farmer boy over there, so I feel like a young farmer there, and a 2-year-old farmer there. What you say? Give them a look up his vlog there, then. See, youngest farmer, a 2-year-old. See him there, pass with him potato bucket and thing. No joke. What you say? I tell them, say, okay, then. Puffy, tell them the vlog now, I know say you're there today. Do a video now. Give them a update. Where you do? Where you dig? Potato? Hmm? Where you dig if you do with it? Hmm? You go sell it? You go market? Alright, my father. Young farmer. Not true? Yeah, so guys, tell guys to subscribe. Tell them to subscribe to Fever Farm. Tell them to subscribe to Fever Farm. I like the videos them. You know. All right. All right, so that is it. So you know there, go and dig some bags of potato and thing. Organic as me I told you. Yeah man. Alright Kaden, so that is it. Yeah, so you see that farmer lady find a nice one there, so no joke. Organic food there out there. Food for days. As me I told you. Alright, so you go and turn big farmer now. So if you ever farm the real food, that is it. Alright. Until them man. For the so